Let's make this simple, easy, but absolutely delicious and authentic Ghana fried rice and chicken. Hello, it's a great honor to have you here today and always. I'm so grateful. So, like I said earlier, we are making fried rice and chicken. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. So, in my cooking pot, I have my well cleaned chicken. I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, my natural herbs and spice blend. I've added my salt, chicken seasoning. I'll just go ahead and then give it a stir. Make sure everything has covered the chicken, or each chicken has some of the seasoning around them, okay, so that we can get the taste very well. So that is what I am doing now. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for always coming here to watch me, and then my followers. Thank you so much. If you are new here, please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos, because we share easy and absolutely quick recipes which you are going to fall in love with it. And the good news is that it is absolutely free if you do so. So please subscribe or follow for more videos. Now, this is how the chicken looks like in this case. Okay, sometimes some people will like to end it here, but I just want to cook it very well. Okay, they end it here just because you'll be frying it, so they think it is not necessary to cook it very well. If you do it that way, it is also perfect. Okay, now I have my washed rice in my chicken stock. Okay, the stock we got from the chicken, I added my rice to it, added some water to it, no salt, because the stock contains seasoning and you know that contains salt. So we are just going to leave this on fire and I will get back to you. Okay, now whilst that is on fire, the chicken was ready. That is why we were able to get the stock from the chicken. Now we are going to fry the chicken very well, and that is my oil on fire. You make sure the oil should be hot before you start frying. It shouldn't be too hot, okay, so that you don't mess the place up. Oh my goodness. So I will just continue with the frying, or bringing everything in the oil so that we can fry it perfectly. Okay, yes, now this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and then flip it to the other side so that they can cook very well. To be sincere with you, the oil was too high, or very high, which I did not like it. Okay, so you can see that that's chicken looks like it is ready, but it is not ready. It is not cooked well inside. It is because the fire was too high. Okay, yeah, so take note, you don't do yours like that. Just relax for the food to cook perfectly. We are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more updates. We share short videos, detailed recipes on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. So follow us there as well, and you will like it. Now, this is how the chicken is looking, and trust me, inside is juicy, outside is, oh my goodness, crispy, a bit crispy. Okay, because we did not coat it. Yeah, so we are just going to remove it from the oil, allow it to rest on your paper towel or in your colander, so that we can continue with the preparation or the recipe. If you've watched me till this point, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Please do well to like the video, share to others, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much. Now this is where we've gotten to. I've added the ingredients I added to the chicken earlier: the pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, natural herb spice, and seasoning blend. Okay, that is what I've added to the oil. I'll give it a stir like how you are seeing on the screen. Now I'm going to add my vegetables. So with this recipe, we are going to hide the eggs. Okay, so we don't want it like scrambled, but we just want the eggs in the food, but not scrambled. We don't want anyone to see that there is eggs in the food. I hope you understand. Yes, just because we want to give someone eggs, but that person will remove the eggs from the food if he or she sees it. So that is why I did I did it this way, but I did not prepare some scrambled eggs before adding it to it. I hope you get me. Yes, so now you can see that you can see the eggs, right? Yes, that is what I meant earlier. Now I'll give that a stir and then add my seasoning to taste according to any seasoning that you want. Just add it to it according to your taste. Okay, now I'll go ahead and then add my cabbage and then spring onions. Give it a stir. That is actually not spring onions, it is bell pepper. Okay, give it a stir so that it can also absorb some of the taste from the seasoning. Now I'll go ahead and then add my rice to it bit by bit. We are adding it to it bit by bit because we want the rice that we prepared earlier to get the taste from the vegetables we prepared. Okay, I mean they should all mix very well. That is what I mean. Yeah, now I'll continue adding it to it bit by bit till we are done with it. Trust me, if you try this recipe, you will love it. You can use this as a business. Okay, it tasted so good, and oh my goodness, the owner really enjoyed this and then fell in love with it. As you can see, it is very simple and then quick to put together. I decided to use what I'm using today because the other one was smaller for me and I already have tiny hand. So it wasn't helping at all. Yeah, at this moment, oh my goodness, the flavor and then the aroma outside, it was something else. Yes, everyone was like, what is going on here? My neighbors were in trouble that day. This was very, very, very flavorful and the taste was very good. I'll go ahead and then add my oyster sauce and then give it a stir. So since we started preparing this, I have not added soy sauce, but like you can see, it looks very delicious and just like the one they sell on the roadside. Absolutely presentable and then very, very, very delicious. Just look at that. So please, we share recipes on the other channel using Tree language. Please do want to follow us at Recipe Goddess on YouTube. You will love it. Now this is how the food looks and it is ready. Like you know earlier, we are pairing this with our chicken. So I sprinkled some scallions or spring onions or green onions, anyhow you will call it. Immediately you add that to your fried rice, it means it is ready. Okay, that should be the last thing. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.